All right, guys, now look at this. I want to show you something that can help you start getting leads really quick and really fast. Now, you can see right here on my screen, I have a data of different businesses. You can see I have their name, I have their full address, I have their street, I have their country, their phone numbers, website URLs, their domain. Also, I have their email address, and most importantly, I also have their social media handles. Now, the super thing about this is that I did not pay to get all of this. Okay, AI did all the work for me. So what I'm going to do is to teach you how you can start manipulating AI to get all of this data that you are seeing right here on my screen. And trust me, this is going to save you time, save you money. Of course, this is going to be a free way to start generating leads for yourself and even for your business without paying a penny. So now let's get into it. The first thing I want you to do is you're going to come over to a new browser, and right here on your browser, you want to go ahead and write something. Okay, the particular niche or industry that you are trying to get data from. So for me, I'm trying to target something much more simple and much more basic. Let's say plumbers. Okay, now right here, once I impute the keyword plumbers right here on Google, you can see we have all of those data right here displayed on Google. But now there's a problem. We might not be able to get all of the data we want, such as their email address, such as their phone number, such as their website URL, such as their social media handles, and all like that. So what we want to do now is to apply some advanced searches right here on Google to get the result we want for ourselves. Now follow me closely, guys, so that you don't miss out on any step. Now once you are here, okay, quickly come over to this place where you have tools. Okay, I need you to follow me, guys. Now click on this place here. Now, once you click on tools, now come over to this place and you can see where we have advanced search. Go ahead and click on advanced search, and right here on the advanced search, now you can see we have those page, all right, opened up for us. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be making use of Google's inbuilt search engine, right, to get the data we want for ourselves and even for our businesses. Now go ahead and choose if you still want to proceed with plumbers. So let's say maybe you have multiple keywords such as plumbers, maybe you're also trying to target mechanics, maybe you're also trying to target doctors, let's say nurses. It can be anything. All right, auto niche or auto industry you're trying to target, make sure you have it right here. So for me, I'm just going to go with plumbers alone because that is what I want for myself. So once I've been able to impute the niche that I'm trying to target, the next thing I have to do is to come down a little bit. You can see where it says this exact word or phrase. Now go ahead and impute at gmail.com. Okay, because we want to get their email address, right? Something basic and something much more simple. So you can see we have plumbers here, we have at gmail.com. Now go down a little bit. Now guys, look at something. Now you can see where it says by language. Now this is to help you narrow your searches. So for those of you who would like to get a particular people, okay, speaking a kind of language. So maybe you want to get data of people who are speaking Arabic, or maybe people who are speaking Chinese, probably people who are speaking Filipino, maybe Greek, French. It doesn't really matter. So what Google is going to be doing is that Google is going to be providing you with data of people who are speaking the exact language you selected. So for me, I'm going to leave mine on default. And now for the region, what we are going to do now is to tell Google that we are trying to target a kind of people from a particular country. So let's say I want to target plumbers who are based in Algeria. I can go ahead and select Algeria. Maybe I want to go ahead and select plumbers who are based in the US. So you can see United States. I can also select that. So what Google is going to be doing is that Google is going to be providing me with data of plumbers who are in the country that I want to get from me. So for me, I'm going to leave this on general. So I want to get all the data from any region at all. So once you are done with this few settings right here, go ahead and click on advanced search. Now once you click on advanced search, what Google is going to be doing is that it's going to be providing you with the data, all right, based on your prompt. Remember, you told Google that you want plumbers from a particular country and plumbers who are speaking this exact language. So once you have been able to do that, you can see all the data right here is going to be displayed, and we are going to be having the data based on our own prompts. Now to verify all of this, go ahead and click on Ctrl F on your computer, and right here just go ahead and select plumbers, okay, or type in plumbers, and you can see all of the highlighted ones here are from people who are plumbers, right? You can also check something like at gmail.com just to verify we are having emails right here. So at gmail.com, you can see all the highlighted one here, guys. All of these ones here are all emails of people right here on Google. So Google is providing us with data of people who have their website here, their social media handles, and all like that. So once we are done with this is the first thing we have to do. So once we are done with this, guys, now we're going to go ahead and open up a new tab. All right, and right here we want to come over to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is the AI tool that we are going to be making use of to get all of the data arranged into something like this. So remember, Google just gave us a data that looks like this. So what we want to do is to use ChatGPT, all right, to change all of this data right here into something good looking and well arranged as this. So now coming over to ChatGPT, now ChatGPT, I have to use give ChatGPT a prompt. Okay, now for the prompt, I have the prompt written out right here. So I'm going to copy those prompts and also share with you down in the description box below. So we'll check out that prompt now. So once I get the prompt, I'm going to paste in the prompt right here on ChatGPT. Now once I have the prompt here, I'm going to go down a little bit, and right here where you see paste your data here. So highlight this, right? Highlight this. Now go back to Google. Okay, here on Google, sorry, right here on Google, go ahead and click on Control A to highlight all the data being displayed here. Now quickly go ahead and copy it. Now come back to ChatGPT, okay, and paste in the data right here. Now good, you can see we have the data already imputed right here on ChatGPT for us. So what we're going to do now is to send in the data. Now what ChatGPT will do is to help us arrange the data. You can see guys in a tabular format. You can see the email addresses are being displayed here. You can see we have phone numbers, email address, social media handles, everything is right here. So you can see all of this is looking very, very good and very, very easy to use. So you can also keep on repeating this. You can go over to the next page. Okay, come over to the next page because you're not done with all the data Google has provided yet. Come over to the next page. Okay, click on page 2. Right here on page 2, click on Control A. All right, click on copy. Now come back to ChatGPT. Okay, come back to ChatGPT right here. Okay, and input the keyword, input the data from Google, and click on send. So it's going to help you again analyze and arrange all the data, guys. So you can see all of this. You can see all of this. So what ChatGPT is doing is to help us arrange all the data, okay, according to the prompt we provided you with. So with all of this feature, guys, you can start generating leads for yourself and even for your business without paying a penny. And also, I just discovered a way on how you can also extract data from social media handles such as Facebook, such as Instagram, such as LinkedIn, TikTok. This is something that's going to be mind-blowing. So if you want to see that video, make sure to subscribe now. If you haven't done that yet, like this video and wait for my next video where I'm going to show you how to also manipulate AI to get all the data you want from any social media handle of your choice. So if you found this video so helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe now and smash the like button. So once you are done and once you have ChatGPT providing you or has provided you with all the data you need, go ahead and downloading it by coming over to ChatGPT, and you can see here it is asking you, would you like this formatted into a CSV file for easier usage? Now go ahead and click on yes, I would love to download this. I would love to download this as a CSV file. So very easy, just give ChatGPT this simple prompt and so it's going to help you fit all the data so that you can download it as a CSV file. So now once you have it already listed here that you can download it, go ahead and click on download and you can see our file has been downloaded. So we can go ahead and open this up to see what it looks like. So guys, you can see all of the data we have right here. ChatGPT has provided it for us. So you can go ahead and arrange these, okay, for better usage. So you can find things like their name, their full address, their country, phone number, website, email address, social media handles, and many more like that. So if you use those prompts rightly, guys, you'll be able to start getting targeted business data for yourself. And maybe you want to use it for your business. You can also find it so helpful. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button in appreciation and let me know you enjoyed this video by telling me you enjoyed it in the comment section below, and I'll see you. Bye.